Hello everyone, I'm Citalia Ruiz and today I'm going to show you the best shoes for a fashion show. The ones that I use are from a brand called Chinese Laundry, and I love these because they give you extra height with the platform and the heel is very well put so you don't lose your balance. I have them in black, and then the ones that are most important also are the nude. So these are probably the ones that you're going to be using the most, the nude color. But if you don't like the open-toed shoes, or if your designer does not like it, they also have the toe-closed shoe. And this one doesn't have a big platform like the other one, but it also gives you the height that you need. I hope this video was helpful for all of you. If you liked it, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. And you can also follow me on my Instagram. Thank you.